Welcome back to Sergeant T-Rex Small Arms Repairer YouTube channel. Today we're working on a M4A1 Carbine that has a malfunction where the bolt is stuck in the rear position. In this video, we will attempt to identify the cause of this issue. We begin by inserting a cleaning rod through the front of the barrel to push the bolt rearward. This may allow us to detach the upper receiver from the lower receiver, creating a gap large enough to examine the interior and determine what might be causing the problem. Believing that the bolt might be stuck due to the sear, we remove the sear retaining pin to see if this would free the bolt, allowing it to move forward so we could detach the upper from the lower receiver. This would enable us to inspect each component and identify the cause of the issue. As you can see, removing the sear provided us with the necessary wiggle room to push the bolt forward, allowing us to successfully detach the upper from the lower. Once the upper and lower receivers were separated, the sear, charging handle, bolt carrier, and bolt were thoroughly inspected, revealing no issues with those components. During the inspection, it was observed that the ambidextrous selector switch on the right side was loose. However, this was not the source of the malfunction. A Q-tip head was discovered inside the trigger well and was promptly removed. The weapon was reassembled to determine whether this could have caused the problem. It was then established that the bolt only gets stuck when the forward assist is engaged by pushing it while the bolt is halfway forward in order to verify that the forward assist functions correctly and pushes the bolt into the lock position as intended. At this point, it became clear that the bolt jams only when the forward assist is pushed to drive it forward. Based on this observation, we concluded that the forward assist was likely defective. The forward assist has now been disassembled for a closer examination of how it is causing the bolt to become stuck in the rear position. Upon disassembly, it is evident that the forward assist pawl, item 3, has become detached from the forward assist plunger assembly, item 1. This detachment was due to a rusted and worn forward assist pawl retaining spring pin, item 2. The forward assist pawl retaining spring pin body was completely missing. The only parts found were the left and right tips of the pin. It is evident that the body has corroded and weakened over time, ultimately causing it to break completely.